Not easy to walk in it, is it?
Nope.
Wow. So, in order to make it easier to walk with the snowshoes on, the modern ones have a couple of different features to it here. And so you notice that the toe part pivots. And this is going to be important. Really, the most important part of this lesson is going to be in the appropriate sizing of the shoes. And why do we have this part pivot?
So you can walk, get people up like this, and
right.
then it pushes off.
So yeah, Lars.
So then the outside of the thing that keeps you up stays flat, and then you can walk over.
Exactly. So the outer portion of the snowshoe is maintaining your flotation in the snow, and then you can walk in a normal sense. And also, what does this pivot do? Do you see the claw in front of the pivot there? Yeah. Exactly. That gives you the traction. Where are you going to want your foot in here for the pivot? What is when you look at your foot, where is that pivot point?
The ball of your foot?
Here?
Yeah, exactly. The ball of your foot. So you want, of course, the ball of your foot is analogous to this part right here. And you want that over the pivot point. So when you're walking, if it's too far back, it's just snowshoeing, but if you're getting out into the wilderness to do any kind of activity, what sort of things do you want to bear in mind? Lars?
You might want to go to places that's kind of like further out from civilization.
If you're right, if you want to get away from the crowds, that's right. And if you're going out a little bit farther, then what do you need?
To know the wildlife here?
Not so much the wildlife, but you got to know a couple of important things.
Any conditions like a tendency for powder snow.
Well, the weather is absolutely important. In the mountains, weather.
హైక్ స్టార్ట్ చేసామండి. 2 miles హైక్. ఇప్పుడే స్నో షూ మీద ఒక అరగంట చెప్పారు. అది ఎలా వేసుకోవాలి, దాని సేఫ్టీ ఏంటి మొత్తం దాని గురించి పిల్లలకి మెరిట్ బ్యాడ్జ్ ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఆ బ్యాడ్జ్లో పార్ట్ షూ వేసుకుంటున్నారు. ఇది షూ ఇలా ఉంటుంది. అది yeah.
You putting them on now?
Yes.
All right.
Like this?
Why?
Yeah, did you get the heel strap on? Never enough.
ఏదమ్మా బాగా గట్టిగా లాగండి. కరెక్టేలే, నీకు వాకింగ్ అది ఇతనే ఒకటి అంత. అన్నా
Yeah, we'll do all that. We'll do all that later. We're just going to do the hike right now. Yep.
Yay, I am prepared.
Awesome. Okay, just so we're avoiding the creeks. Okay. Let's go. Come on.
Yeah. మొత్తం బయలుదేరారు టీం అంతా.
doing, but it also hurts more.
Yes, it does.
And I'm a super slow.
This way, yeah. అది కొంచెం పైన అది పోతుంది. Huh?
That'd be like a double block.
Wow. అది పోతుంది మామూలుగా లేదు. ఒక క్వార్టర్ మైల్ వచ్చి ఉంటాయేమో అయినా.
Take the pants off? Yes. Well, who's jumping out?
Come on, let's go get just to them, brother. Not yet.
More to the right? Daddy.
Guys,
Guys, drill off to the right. I got it. Not hard, right? You can turn the...
We can eat it. We can eat it on the property. We can't, if you fall, nothing happens.
good.
We can't throw it on the property. Oh my god, all this stuff.
యా జాకెట్లు చేసుకోమంటున్నారు.
Run your tongue along my dick. Tell me that is super quick.
Yeah, I got it.
anyway. Animal. Oh. Wow. Deer, huh? What is that? Deer?
Dog.
It's animal feeling, huh? Tracks.
Oh, deer.
Deer, huh?
Hey, you can see the deer.
I think it's a tiger.
What if you... Oh, dude. You can see he like went
I think-
in the water.
Yeah, they went down to get access to the water.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
I think it's a big bear. No. Snowshoe. Snowshoe అది కష్టం. ఇంకా స్నో ట్యూబ్స్ కూడా తీసుకుని వెళ్తున్నారు పైకి. స్లెడ్జెస్. వా సూపర్.
That's an ice bucket, bro.
Whoa, whoa.
Yeah, that's Timberline Lodge.
పైన కూడా ఒక లాడ్జ్ ఉన్నట్టుంది.
We just have to make sure we can get out this way. Let's build a...
This mount, full Mounthood. That is a peak, I think.
So if we can just get that. Exactly. Where do we need the tripod to be visible from? Where do we need that? Where do we need this to be visible from?
Where's our tripod?
Ah,
Okay. also we have these exposed rocks here. I haven't seen that.
Where are we going?
We just want to make sure that we can.
Can we carry some rocks to make a trail walk later on?
No, so here's the thing. When you're out hiking in the woods and you make a turn onto another trail, you have to turn around, and this is what we're going to see coming back.
Yeah.
So now, yeah, awesome. So we go, yeah, okay, so we got this little outcropping here. I see the
Mounthood
snow
peak.
marks.
టాప్ అనమాట ఇది.
Yeah.
Guys, ready?
Fashion. This is his flash pan.
I don't know how the pictures are coming. Huh?
He needs help.
Joe.
Oh.
Joe needs his mama.
Wait. 1, 2, 3.
Is that one of our scouts down there?
Yeah.
That's Joe. Okay. Who's gonna go help him after we take the photo?
I volunteer.
I'll go help him.
All right.
Go, go, go.
Alright, have we taken the photo yet? Or?
Done.
Yeah, we got it. Wait, we're still at hide and seek.
All right.
No, but in the cabin, not outside.
Oh, in the cabin.
Only in. No, outside in the lodge, yeah, when we get back.
Yeah, that's actually anywhere in the lodge.
Anywhere in the lodge.
Except for like
Yeah. And
hide and
yeah.
seek, yeah. That's yeah, Joe has
మొత్తం మొత్తం ఇక్కడికి రావాలంటే అక్కడ పైన కూడా ఒక లాడ్జ్ ఉంది, కానీ టింబర్ లైన్ లాడ్జ్ ఏదో ఉంది, అది దొరకాలంటే చాలా కష్టం అన్నమాట. ఇక్కడికి రావడమే గ్రేట్. ఇది కుక్కలు కూడా తీసుకొని వచ్చారు ఎవరు. చూడండి పండుగ చేస్తుంది. నేనైతే ఇదే ఫస్ట్ టైం ఇంత హైట్ ఇక్కడ ఇంత దగ్గరికి రావడం. ఎవరు బాగా వాడుతుంది. ఇదే ఎవరు వాళ్ళకి నేను పైకి ఎక్కుతున్నామండి. ఇది మౌంట్వుడ్. మీకు మన ఇండియన్ ఫ్యామిలీ కూడా వచ్చినట్టున్నారు. అక్కడ మీకు చూపిస్తాను. మీకు క్లోజ్గా వెళ్తే అక్కడ ఒక లాడ్జ్, ఈ కరెక్ట్ నా ఏలు పాయింట్ ఉందో అక్కడ ఒక లాడ్జ్ ఉంటుంది, టింబర్ లైన్ లాడ్జ్ అంటారు. దాంట్లో చాలా కష్టం అన్నమాట దొరకటం. అక్కడి నుంచి పైకి స్కీ లిఫ్ట్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి, పైకి తీసుకెళ్తాయి. స్నో షూస్ కాదు, చాలా చాలా కష్టం. ఇది ఎక్కాలన్నది కానీ కింద బ్లేడ్లు ఉన్నాయి కదా. ఇది ఇప్పుడు పైకి ఎక్కాలి మనం. అయిపోయింది. సీని సితారైంది. నేను ఎంత కోసుకున్నాను.
I haven't moved once.
You can't get
Closer, come on.
He's still missing.
ఇక్కడ ఇంకా టూరింగ్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు ఇంకా.
No, my mom is doing that.